Alright, I'm gonna open up my YouTube. Go to my channel.
You know what I'm saying is I'm so white at the riots, I go and buy a TV.
Huh?
Nothing.
You buy it? What?
'Cause, I'm at a black comedy show, right?
Okay.
And I'm next in line, but I'm a white guy, right?
Okay, be careful. I don't know if I'm streaming. I think I'm streaming now. Hold on. Don't say nothing
Oh,
crazy.
right.
Don't say nothing
My
crazy.
fault, my fault. Anyways, yo, I love liberals.
Okay. I don't need that kind of profanity. Alright, am I... Okay. Alright, I'm live. Let me get an audio check. I got no audio.
It doesn't even show you streaming for me.
Oh, see? This is fucked up. I mean, the stream shows on my YouTube studio now. Like, it shows, like, my camera, everything, like it's connected, like, with the stream key.
I'm still staring at a
Hit the refresh, hit the refresh.
pixelate. I refresh that 3 times.
What the fuck? Are you on the right YouTube channel?
Ready.
K-Slit Black.
There's only one ugly motherfucker here, okay?
TL 6J.
Yeah, I don't know. Dude, this is way harder than fucking Twitch. They got like 15 extra steps for no reason. I can manage broadcast, and it's in blue now. And it was grayed out, or it was gray. If I click on it, it shows like my thumbnail and everything, like settings for it. Oh, I think I have to broadcast or create broadcast and stream. I think just create broadcast is to do like the schedule that you see on YouTube. I think that's how I got the scheduled one for June 1st. Hold on, what happens if I just go to my YouTube channel?
I'm figured out for you. Hold on.
Okay, it says I'm live. Yeah, I'm live. I'm live. It shows I'm live. Maybe it took a minute to like... Oh, I have no idea if there's a delay. Maybe there's a delay. Because it popped up. And I've been streaming... It says watching, and it started streaming 3 minutes ago. Yeah, if I click this... Oh, no. Hold on. You're watching the scheduled video. Go to my actual channel. I don't know how to get rid of the schedule.
Yeah, there it is.
I have no idea how to get rid of the scheduled post. I think that's when I accidentally made a broadcast. I think that's what happened. Is it gonna stay there forever? It can't, right? Because it's past the date. It's right. It's 5 hours past that schedule. I don't have any audio though, so.
I can hear you.
Oh,
Yeah.
you can hear me?
Hear your little Ben
Same
Boy
here.
voice.
I'm gonna ignore that comment. Can you hear the
Yo,
music?
check your chat, by the way.
Chat. Oh, hold on. Let me pull up my chat. Holy bug face. That's crazy. What is that fucking profile picture?
That's the legendary clarinetist Artie Shaw.
Is that made up?
No, it's actually not made up. He's an actual person.
Okay. Nah, can't be famous.
Get your music history up.
Oh gosh, can you hear my music? I don't think I'm allowed to play very much music, so I just put like on a random like lofi playlist.
Lo-fi. Anyways,
Lo-fi.
Lofi.
Lofi, what are you, a girl?
I don't know. I mean, I know I'm a man. I mean, I didn't say I don't know about a girl. You know what I'm saying?
Mild.
It's ma'am. So is the now I should be streaming at 1080p, but that's not even an option, is it?
No, I'm auto 1080p 60.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Oh, bet. See, I know what I'm doing. I had to redo all the encoder thing for Twitch, like the bitrate and all that. Like it's not the same for YouTube because my shit was blurry as all hell. But 1080p at 60, we'll take it. That is quality we're looking for right there. Now the delay, I'm gonna put my hand up. Let me know like how long the delay is, okay?
It's about 8 to 10 second delay, I'd say.
Golly, I guess that's okay. I don't. There's no setting to change that, so. Alright, well, on my OBS, I just have the one scene, two sources, desktop audio, mic, video is muted, which I guess I could unmute. No, you need that. You know, I'm just leave like it is. I don't think there's anything wrong. Now, the next thing I gotta learn how to do, I gotta put something to like cover like the bottom and the top of my stream. I need like a banner or something. Or maybe I should just hide my taskbar. You think it looks bad, or does it not matter if you see my taskbar on the bottom? Do you feel like it's like taking up some room?
I mean, it's taking up less room than your face cam is, so I don't think it really matters.
My face cam? You think it's too big?
I mean, you could probably lower like the height of it a little bit, probably.
Let me see. I mean, it's probably like...
You could also try pressing F11. Seeing if making the window full screen does anything for it.
I don't think that did anything. Yeah, I don't think it's... Yeah, it's not showing a difference.
Huh. It's weird.
I guess I could keep like this. The couple of traders that I watch, they have like a banner or something, or like a couple of shit like on their screen. Like usually like on the top that kind of covers like your tabs and like your link or whatever. And they got like something like on the bottom. I guess I don't know. I guess it don't matter.
Just realized we got an Edge user.
A what?
Edge user, Microsoft Edge.
Oh. Hey, what can I say? Potato, potato.
We're Opera GX Brave. household.
Oh God. Oh, speaking of which, if I think this just just shows. Yeah, okay. So this just records my whole screen, not just.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let me see here.
Since you gotta wait 23 hours until I can stream on YouTube.
Yeah, yeah.
Fuck,
Dude, that
dude, what kind of freaking. Also, I've been in this trade for gold for like 22 for 1 hour almost. 1 hour and 14 minutes.
No, that's crazy. Actually, that's not that crazy.
Think
No,
so?
that's not that crazy. Gold's gonna sit around 330, like I think for a while.
Literally just one micro in because why the hell not? I don't want to look at it.
I mean, where are we at? 328. I'll go in 3 contracts
Order filled.
back up to VWAP maybe 331. We'll just see. I'll just have a trade on the screen. Fuck it. I gotta get my recovery code from my Microsoft account because I can't remember what it is.
Your recovery code for it. Why did you get your Microsoft account? Is that your YouTube?
Yeah. It keeps saying I use an old password, and you gotta protect your account, so you have to use a new password. Like, what? Come on, really?
Check that account.
I don't want to be like that person that has like a completely like random ass account. It's so random that you have to have like a text document like for your passwords because you're not gonna remember it.
That's why I just use a password manager.
I just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0.
What the
Chad
fuck?
hacked his Mint account.
Oh, man, this is annoying.
Oh, and then you have to take profit all the way down there. You know, I mean your target loss. I mean your stop loss. There it is.
Are you-
Keep tight?
Tuck it tight. Well, I wanted to wait to see if we got the move. We didn't get the move, and it might need some more room, but it just tapped 330. I might just take profit right here. I don't know if it's gonna bounce up. I mean, VWAP's at 332, so I'll leave it.
I just have one micro. See where it goes from there.
1 micro. This guy. He's a rookie number. You gotta pump those up.
I got $300 off one micro. Can you believe that?
This fucking guy. Now I actually gotta sit here and wonder what my fucking password's gonna be. This is retarded.
It's a password manager.
Oh, alright.
It's download Bitwarden password manager. They have a browser extension where you can just, whenever you make a new password, it'll save it automatically to your vault.
I think I need that in my life, to be honest.
Hey, that's what I did. They'll even like give you like random generated passwords. Fredo has it down there.
Order
in,
filled.
Florida.
Oh, chilling, I guess. Very hot and humid
Come on.
and raining.
Fair. Oh yeah, it's because 20 about like an hour and a half, like 20 days away from going down there.
Here, I mean, down here, I mean. You going to like Central Florida,
Yeah.
South Florida?
PCB. So not too far into Florida, but still into Florida.
The city of Hannibal.
All right, I got my account back. Here we go.
Alright, he's locked in.
We're locked in.
I'm itching for some Wild Arena. Is that crazy or what?
Stop it.
I've been watching Peekaboo play. I'm get back in there.
Building the vacation playlist right now. So I got like an 8-hour drive down there to Florida.
Get 10.
Okay. Well, this trade worked out pretty nice. That was like 3 micros too.
I just hit the red button.
It's- Getting a little bit of a
Oh,
pop
no,
here.
sorry.
Order filled.
All right, $50. Rich. Oh, Scoo's in my chat. You look the same
What
and
the-
yet so different. Hope it's going well. Hey, it's going well, man. It's going well.
That's a name I haven't heard in many years.
Yeah, totally. That's funny. What the heck? Welcome to my stream. Fredo, we passing your account this week or what?
I need another 50.
Come on. Come on. Listen, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna full port short at VWAP, right?
We're in a short position.
Oh wait, it doesn't show timestamps.
So,
Like people that talk in the chat, it doesn't show timestamps. So I don't know if like I was like hella late to respond. He might not even be there.
put it at 11:21. He just wrote it.
You have timestamps?
You see where he says top chat and then the little 3 buttons there? Hit that and then turn it on.
Times. Oh, there it is. Okay. Reactions? How do you react?
Bro, react harder.
What the fuck?
React.
React.
Bro, I got freaking BTTV. Yeah, I got BTTV, dude. Look at Monk ass.
What are you? What are you saying? BT what?
See that shit? Better TV.
I don't see
See
that.
that? Can you even see that emote, or does it just say Monk ass?
It just says Monk S.
We just need the extension.
Oh, better. Oh, yeah. I see what you're saying. I think I used to have that, not anymore. I can see Scoo's emojis.
Regular.
Dude, the chat on OBS is so, like, the interface is like, the UI is like laggy, or like tweaking.
You're using OBS to look at the chat.
Well, I have my YouTube channel pulled up with the chat on, and that's like, I'm just gonna use that, because the one on OBS is tweaking. It's like, it's just, yeah, it's just not working all that well. A regular emote. I'll be honest, tonight's market is booty cheeks. I mean, it's Sunday night, so you can't really expect a whole lot, but
I even got in a trade.
shit's just not moving. We got no news either. Got nothing.
Should just stay with silver.
Silver, you're kind of crazy for that. This week it has a shit ton of news though. Holy moly. We got a lot of stuff. I assume red equals bad and blue equals good. Funny enough, there is no bad or good. If you're talking about these candles, it's just showing buying and selling. So like the blue is buying candles and this red is selling candles. So it just means there was like more buyers or more sellers. I could sell a contract or I could buy a contract. So candles, yeah, like these are called candles. Like you know, this guy right here is a candle, or like, you know, this guy's a candle, that's a candle, and then these sticks that come off the candles, we call those candle wicks. They're wicks. So like price got up to 330.7 and then rejected down and closed at 329.1. So buyers bought up and then sellers sold back down before this candle closed. If that makes sense. You people make me question my sanity. What do you mean? What do you mean by you people? I will say gold got bought up right at open. I mean, we gapped up. We didn't even fill this gap yet, actually. Hold on. We got a gap right there. 316 to 319. We gapped it. We didn't fill it yet. I mean, we were super bullish right at the... Oh, like for an hour straight, just bullish as all hell. And we slowly sold, pull back, sold, pull back, sold. And these sells are going, like, we're making lower lows, but now we're just kind of sitting sideways right next to VWAP. It's respecting this trend line, though, on the 5-minute. Maybe if it gets back up here, I might sell. If it doesn't break out, we'll see. It's already 10:30. Holy fuck. I'm gonna go to bed soon. You know who? You're right. The one that we do not speak of. That just reminded me, I gotta put where my Discord, like, ats everyone when I go live. I had that for Twitch. I gotta do that for the YouTube one. Because I know you use Pingcord. I have Pingcord on the server still.
And you gotta go back on the freaking dashboard, I think, and add it on there.
Yeah, I'll put a channel for it. Maybe like, I don't even know. I should probably just make a channel for that. I don't want to spam it like in the Normal chat. Speaking of Kyle, where the fuck's Kyle at, dude? He got his brother to join the Discord, so he might be trading with us.
Okay. All right. That sounds terrific, pal.
I can't stand you.
Okay. Sit on me.
What?
Yo, I'm streaming. Knock it off.
I'm streaming. You knock it off.
I have an itch to play some Abiotic Factor right now.
I saw that on the Steam store yesterday.
I haven't played the new update, dude.
I was looking at the reviews. People were like, "Man, this is a hidden gem."
This is the best game.
What game?
Abiotic Factor.
Ah. But
Hey.
What's the purple box? It's just like up here are like my tools are like the ones that I personally use, and there's a whole bunch of other tools like over here that just show like a whole bunch for like your chart, so you can do all sorts of like charting and whatnot. I just use the box for like to highlight like a gap in the market. It's just like a highlighter is really all it is. It just doesn't like actually do anything. It just something I can like reference. Same with like this white line or this blue line. I just use this for like market analysis. I try not to have like too much shit on my chart. Try to keep it kind of clean. Even though I added like this bottom chart here, which I'm actually liking a lot, unironically. Like trading with the trend according to RSI with this yellow line, which is the EMA. It's actually quite nice. So I try to take a trade, like I could have sold or started selling like. I mean, I don't know if I would have taken a trade up here. I don't think there was any signal. Well, I guess there's a 3-bar reversal right here that I could have took. But I would have been out of this trade. Maybe. I don't know. It's hard to tell. It's like a what if, but following this trend line, you can see we tapped EMA, sold, tap. We actually broke out right here, but only went above like a little bit and then right underneath. And now we're just going up and down. So now you just don't want to trade this at all right now. This is just too stupid. But trading with the trend and like, you know, some other confluences works out nicely. Like we're on a downtrend. It's respecting the 5-minute trend line that I made here. It's bouncing off around this area at 326. Like it's coming down this area right here. I could take a trade and see what happens. We rejected off of it, and we haven't been anything lower than this since 5:25, so 5 hours ago. So, but with this downtrend, we're looking kind of heavy, so we might just like finally sell off and fill this area, fill this gap. So something to look for. We just gotta see if this price gets down here and if it picks up volume. If it's got no volume, it'll just bounce right back up and just hover around VWAP. VWAP is like, I think it's volume weighted average price is what VWAP stands for, but it's just really just where the most amount of like trades or trades take place at whatever price. So like 331.9 is like the most amount of trades for most of the night here. It's been sitting about 331, 332. Which, if you're a VWAP trader, you would love to buy and sell at VWAP. Or if it's like a target, What's the Nasdaq doing? Nasdaq selling off. It's been selling. We gapped down at the open, and I guess you could consider this being a gap fill. There's like a couple points that we missed, I think. Yeah, we missed a couple points. 53 to 48. Small gap right here. But that's... I would consider that filled, honestly. And since then, it's just been selling off and going down. I actually missed a selling opportunity. I was watching the price when it was at 300. I should have just went in here because it kept testing. Like, look at these wicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 5-minute candles of just wicking the 80s, the upper 80s. And like I always say is every time a level gets tested, it gets weaker. And look, what do you know? It squeezed shorts, right? Took out a lot of shorts and then just dumped. And it's still dumping. It's still going down. Like the low, what, 37? We had rejection at 34 and 25. Like these are long wicks. This was 7:10 in the morning and 8:50. So this was New York session. Some major wicks. Holy cow. I don't know if this would hold, to be honest. We'll probably sell down lower. I don't see this level holding. We're actually right about at that level right now. So I use like supply and demand zones with this purple box. And then like bounces or rejections, I use a white line. And then the trend lines, I use the blue line. And then if there's like a big volume candle, I use the Fibonacci retracement, which is like something I haven't really traded a whole lot. But the idea is like you trade 50% of a volume candle, because if like you want to think like you're a big player in the market, you always want like that 50% off. So you would probably use like I think the 30-minute is recommended for that. So like you would want to look at like this 30-minute candle right here. You want to use the Fibonacci retracement from top to bottom, and you have to change the settings on this. But let me get rid of this. So there's your top half and your bottom half, and then this is gonna be your 50%. So I mean, I guess this is a pretty good example. So compared to this 30-minute candle, we obviously went right past. I mean, this is invalid now, but we bought all the way up, then rejected down. Now we're selling down, and we actually, crazy enough, we literally wicked the 50%, and we bought back up from 37 to 43. So it's a small buy up, but this is right now we're at that 50% of this candle. So going long on this wouldn't be a bad idea if you were using this strategy, but we're still under EMA with the RSI, so we're trending down. We're below VWAP. Everything says bearish. Nothing says to buy here. But that's how you use that strategy, if that's something you use or want to use. I mean, we're rejecting right here. Here on the 5-minute, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4 candles. It's been about a half hour. I don't think I could trade the market right now. There's like nothing good. Gold could have an opportunity, but we'll see. I'll give it I'll give it 20 minutes. Honestly, a long here to the upside.
Order filled.
Doesn't look bad. Maybe up to like VWAP. Have it at the low. We'll see. I feel like this is kind of heavy. We tested it, and now we're close of coming to test down here. So that'll be 3 tests. So I think it's gonna sell down a little bit. We'll see. NQ and gold don't exactly have a exact opposite market because they do align sometimes. That's why I only like reference the NQ if I'm trading gold and vice versa. I mean, Nasdaq's just slowly selling down. It'll probably go down to the 200s. Gold's just kind of holding its value around 330. No more than like $3, you know, above and below 330. Past hour, 2 hours. Really, I'm just bored, just taking a trade just cause. I'd rather just be in a random one than not at all, I guess. Especially if you're just trading a micro, it ain't really, not really all that bad. Oh, there's a little pop in gold. If I target 330, that's only $50. That'll be $100 on the night. We'll see. I don't even think I was gonna stream this long. This is more of just like a test stream, but looks like everything's good to go to stream for the rest of the week. Actually, I've only streamed in Discord with my trades, so streaming like live on YouTube is a little, little like nerves to take trades. You take like a bad trade and it's like embarrassing. 29.3. I don't know if it's got a whole lot of move here to go to 331.7. Like 5 minutes.
Like recording?
No.
No what?
No.
You're not done? I want to blow dry my hair.
Okay. Oh, I think it's gonna be loud.
Yeah.
Do you leave the door open?
I can close it.
Yeah, you're good.
Do you want to close this one too?
Nah, that's fine. 29. I think we'll just let this trade play out and then call it for the night. This just might be a slow grind back up to 330. I'll sell one at 330, and then we'll do 30.5 and then leave a runner a little bit below VWAP. Hopefully it just goes back up there. I guess I'll risk the $24. It's slow ass markets anyways. $1 billion red. Hey, fuck it. Throw a Lambo on it. Throw 401k on it. 401k to the upside. There it is, new high, there it is. Pump it up, get up there. 330 fill. Right there it is.
Order filled.
There's one contract. Let's get another one. Get up there, get up there. Keep her pushing. Keep her pushing. Well, we filled 330 instead of just wicking it, so. I'd rather not lose up the trade. I'll just keep it. I think for YouTube, I'll do like, if I'm gonna trade like the Express account, I guess I'll be like super strict. You know, like, that might be boring to watch. So maybe I might grab like a combine that's like not passed and like full port it for like some entertainment purposes. We'll see. Maybe it's entertaining watching slow trades, but depending on the market setup, I do end up trading like middies, which are full size contracts. Right now these are just micros. Ooh, I almost just
Order filled.
All right, there's another fill. Let's see if we can get back up to VWAP. Maybe end the night on a little over $100. Hopefully, maybe. The goal is 200. If you're like starting off trading, the goal should be $200 a day, for sure. We seem to be holding 330 pretty well, so this actually might end up going up to VWAP, which if it does, I'm gonna be a little salty because I sold 2 contracts already at a lower price, but that's all right. There it is. There's a pop up. $17 at 330. See if we can hold this. Come on. I'll leave it at 330. We sat there for a fat minute. Hopefully don't retest this price. Come on, 31.5. There it is. Higher price right there, 31.1. We were so close. Come on. 0.2. Can we get 0.3? There's 0.3. No, that's not 0.3. We almost got. We had like 5 at the ask. At 0.3. There it is right there. 6, 5. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. There it is. One
Order
more.
filled.
There we go. All right, that was a perfect trade. That felt good, even though it was micros. If that was minis, that would have been a lot more money. Oh well. If that was minis, like if I was trading like 3 contracts, that'd have been like $300. Like that. That's all right. 118 to start. Not too shabby. I'm gonna use this account and then one other account, I think, for like live stream, and then I gotta keep my personal. I probably won't stream my personal. That one's on Ninja Trader, and that's with like personal money, like real, like my own balance. Take profit right below VWAP was a good idea. 0.6. What do I have it at? 0.5. What was that price? 31.6. 31.6. Yeah, I had it at 31.5. Alright, well, that was a perfect trade from bottom to top. My own capital. There you go. There's the fancy schmancy terms there. My own capital. Gotta be careful trading your own capital. But trading somebody else's, not too bad. A lot less pressure, that's for damn sure. I really want to make $82 before getting off, but got 7 more minutes. I don't think that trade's gonna happen. I could sell at VWAP. We're also coming up on this trend line. We'll try it. If we get a breakout trade, then we'll exit out of it, but maybe we catch the bottom. I actually might have already missed it. This candle's going back down. I gotta keep in mind that I think NASDAQ is still selling down, I believe. Yeah, it's still selling down. It's very, very, very slowly going down. And yeah, this 230 level, it bounced it, and then it bounced it to the upside. So I don't know, three touch points over here, but don't think that's valid tonight. I think I'm actually about to get filled here. Oh boy. I mean, this could break out to the upside. I guess that's a possibility, huh? Damn, that just missed me. Yeah, I think I might have missed this trade. Literally by a point two. That was 0.6. My entry was 0.7. Oh no. Oh. Damn it. That sucks. Yeah, I missed it. Oh man. You hate to see it. Well, glad to know that if I was in the trade, would have been working out right now. It's testing at 330. Bounced off of it. Well, if it holds 330, it's setting up for a breakout trade, that's for sure. And if it breaks out, it'll probably go back up to 335, I'd imagine. Somewhere in this level here. I'm looking at these wicks where like it wicked up. And this is a crazy wick right here. Crazy wick. And rejected immediately right below VWAP. Honestly, this right here, if I was watching the market, I would have went short right here. Would have caught, what, 332 to 329. I think at least $3 on gold, regardless of however many contracts it is a good trade. Just how, like, on the NASDAQ, I look for 10-point bangers. I call those, like, base hits. If I'm going to trade on the NASDAQ, I want, like, at least 10 points. So 10 points NASDAQ, and then $3 gold. But that's just preference. That's just personally what I would target. We popped this 330 right here, bought right back up. Look at that. Price came down and rejected. Full dollar too. We'd have to close above VWAP, and I would probably take a long here. This looks really bullish, actually. Wow. $14 contracts, 13. We got a minute 30 on this 5-minute candle close here. There it is, making a new high here. New high since 9:50, an hour ago. Wow. Do we go one contract long? See if we can ride this out.
Order filled.
Let's just see what happens. Low at this this wick here that this candle made. Here's a test of the trend line for tonight. Let's see if it rejects it or breaks it. It's been rejected all night though. We'll risk 26 doll hairs. This, if I had to grade this trade, maybe like a B plus setup. B plus trade. Because yeah, you're trading off of VWAP, but you're also now still waiting for the trend line, so you know, we'll see. Even though I'm trading micros, you still want to, you know, trade good setups and keep your good trading habits. It looks like it might break out right here. It's very possible. I mean, we tapped VWAP multiple times. We closed above. This looks good. This looks good. I actually might want to scale into this. 2 contracts. Let's see. Let's see what happens. See how this plays out. We'll target 35. It's only 28 bucks, but if it comes back down and fills, you know what? I should target higher. Yep, here's a breakout. This is a valid breakout. Alright, well, look at that. Kind of wish I went in with 3 contracts. Well, there you go. There's the breakout trade. Now this trade went from a B plus to a fucking S plus, honestly. Ah, should have been 3. How silly of me. I'll go break even on it, I guess. We didn't take out any liquidity here, so hopefully it goes higher. I'll bring this back down. I don't know if I should move that just yet. I don't think we're in the clear. Might even have an opportunity to add. No, actually I don't think there's any opportunity to add in this scenario. We're pumping up though, pumping up. Let's just have a take profit like 38.5. Let's just throw it up there. Gold likes to make some crazy wicks. Well, this is working out really great. So we got in. I think we got in like maybe like a hair too early. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe this was a perfect trade actually. I don't know. It's hard to tell. I don't even know how to grade this trade. Got in at the close above VWAP. Got in before the trend line test, I guess. I mean, like right before it. I would have been up $75 if it was 3 contracts right here. 75. This would have been my $200 night right here. How unfortunate is that? We're buying up. This is very nice. Nasdaq must be selling down. Yeah, it's still selling down. 26 was the low, so got into the 20s. $18. Oh, is it going to test 34 and knock us out? We might close with 18 bucks. I'll take the 18 bucks. Did we just take out this candle wick here? We did. We tested. 35.3 was this this candle wick. Let's see if we get above it. If we get above it, then I would assume we get up to 36.9. And if we get up there, then I'm gonna assume we get up to like around my take profit. But I really don't want this to test 34 again. I want to keep this pushing. Sitting at 35. Man, a part of me just wants to take the profit at 35 right here, just because I don't know, something. I just got like that feeling. I got that feeling that like seeing this candle makes me think that we just came up here to fill these orders and then just go back down. But I'll take $20 on it. A $20 banger. No, there's the pop up. All right, there's higher. I'm gonna assume we get up to 36, 37. Hopefully, unless it just wicked this high right here just to take out people that were shorting, and now it's actually gonna go lower. Yeah, I think it's gonna stop me out right here. 10 contracts.
Order filled.
All right, we'll take it. Whew. Alright, I'd say that was a pretty successful test stream. We went... let's see... Holy moly. These are a lot of gold trades. Jesus. MES. Oh yeah. I got out of that one when I saw gold was dumping. Well, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got 9 trades. We got 9 solid trades out of gold tonight for 136 bucks. And I was down. I was actually down, what, $300? I think it was 356. Well, looks like we caught the top of that too. I wanted to get out at 35. I probably should have gotten out at 35. 335 just looked like a good level. I wonder if we go back down, test the bottom of this trend line, and then keep going higher. Just because gold, I mean NASDAQ is at 35. This probably just goes down to 200s. I don't see why it wouldn't. There's no setups to run overnight, which is something that I want to get into. Is literally like, even if it's like 1 micro, just like put on a trade, have a take profit and a stop loss, and like let it run overnight. See what happens. Not tonight though, not tonight. Well, oops. See, that right there is what got my account blown, I think, last time. I had a limit order on the chart somewhere. That sucked. That sucked. Now I got like PTSD. Now I gotta make sure that I got no contracts anywhere. I only looked at gold and the NASDAQ tonight, and ES. I didn't look at crude or like the yen. The yen was tanking. It was just going down. Look at this. Crazy. Alright. Anyways. Stream again tomorrow. Probably like 5 till 7? Probably. That's like 2 hours. I think 2 hours of trading Asia is like pretty solid. Just because it's usually like this. It's just like slow. You get a couple of trades in. So streaming more than like 2 hours is probably too boring, but we'll see. I think my stream is set up pretty good now, but I'm gonna end it here and then back at it tomorrow, 5 o'clock Central Time. Oh, I also got to figure out the scheduling on YouTube. I accidentally made a schedule on the first stream. I'll figure it out. Anyways, how do I end the stream? Okay, here it is. I'll be on tomorrow, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Thanks for the subs.